Hey Russell fam, today Bekah and I are planting some peppers that we have little here. We dried them. Yeah. All right, and we are going to put them in this seed starter. And what we have to do is we have to fill them with a little bit of dirt. That's right. And then what we're going to do is we have to add some lukewarm water. And then we take a pencil and then we're going to put 3 little holes in each one and drop 1 little seed in there. Okay. And these are spicy seeds, so Mom's going to do that. Okay? Because if you touch those and then touch something else, it's going to burn, like your mouth, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we are going to scoop out some dirt. And sometimes it's better to do this outside, but today's really windy, so we're going to do it in the house and try not to make a big mess.
Comment down below if you guys have ever done this.
All right, we have an 18 seed starter. So that means there's 18 of them in here. So we're going to fill in 18 holes. Okay. All right, you can do that one. All right.
Okay. It's okay if I've planted seeds many times before, and so has Bekah, because we have a garden, and this is pretty fun.
All right, Russell fam, we're going to pause it and fill all of these up, and we'll be back in just a minute. All right, Russell fam, we have put dirt in all 18 of our pots. We have poured in some lukewarm water. We have stirred it up using this. And now what we're going to do is we are going to make 2 little holes in each pot, and we're going to put 2 seeds in each one. And then once we do that, then we're going to sprinkle it with dirt lightly, and then we are going to spray it to make sure that it gets good and damp, because if they don't get damp, the seeds will not grow. So Bekah, go ahead and put me 2 holes in this one right here.
Okay.
Remember, I said right here and right there. All right, you don't want them too deep down in there.
There's some holes right there if you guys can see them.
All right, and here's some teeny tiny seeds.
That we're planting hot peppers.
Yes, hot peppers. A friend of ours gave us these, and we are planting them.
We don't know what these are called.
We just know that they are spicy peppers. And since these are little ones, they suggest putting 2 in each little hole. All right, do that one again, sis.
Okay.
There you go. And then one kind of over there. There you go. It's good. And we're going to put 2 seeds. And these are teeny tiny, so
It's hard to kind of see where they go.
it's kind of hard to see how many I have in my hand.
How many do you have in your hand?
All right, do this one.
Okay. See, do y'all see the little seeds down there?
I do. All right, Russell fam, we're going to finish doing this with all 18 pots, and then we'll be back after we put the seeds in.
Bye!
All right, Russell fam, we have put the seeds in the holes, and so now what we are going to do is we are going to lightly cover the seeds with some dirt in all 18 of our pots. So we will be back after we do this. All right, Russell fam, we have put in our seeds. We have lightly covered it with dirt. Now we are going to lightly spray it with our lukewarm water. All right, so go ahead and spray them, sis.
Spray?
Mm-hmm. You can spray a little bit more. Okay. Like that. Just kind of lightly spray all of them.
Okay. Doesn't it take a few couple sprays to get it going?
Yeah. There you go. We just want to make sure the water's good and the dirt's good and moist. All right, and then once we are done spraying them, we are going to cover them with plastic wrap. That keeps all the moisture in. And once you start seeing some leaves sprouting, then you are going to remove the plastic wrap, and you want to keep it in about a 70-degree temperature just to kind of keep it warm. And let's see, what else does it tell us to do? After it has started sprouting, then make sure you put it in a window so that it can get tons of sunlight. So we will post another video in a couple weeks once all of this gets done. And if you have any questions, you can always just look on the back and follow all the directions in your seed starter.
You can pause the video and look at that if you want.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. Okay, there we go.
Alright, so Russell fam, thanks for watching our video. Bekah, what do we do?
Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe.
Don't forget to get off video games, go outside and have some